Juan, you kissed 2 girls. Okay, and you want me to forget about it? Let alone think that you care about me?
I do.
Please. Don't tell me that you would trust me if the roles were reversed. Look, you go ballistic every time I look at those pictures of Lucky, and I'm just doing it as a favor for Elizabeth. You're jealous for no reason. I have a problem because you kissed one girl, knowing that I was watching. And you practically had sex with another one, thinking that I wasn't.
I thought we had broken up.
When?
Since the rave. Since you don't even give me the time of day. Since you act like you don't want to have anything to do with me. And then I see you with Lucky and you're always hugging him and what am I supposed to think? If you say you don't have a thing for him, okay, I believe you. But there's something going on, Emily. And it's something more than me just being stupid with Allison and Sherry. Do you think I get to know what it is? Emily, come on. Admit it, something's going on. I've always been an outsider when it comes to you and your friends. And it's only gotten worse since Lucky came back. That's not my imagination. This is where you say something? Okay, I'll start you off. Juan, what I'm really afraid to tell you is...
Look, there's been a lot of things that have gone wrong, you know, and there's just no point in you know, trying to talk about it or change what happened.
Me kissing Allison?
That, and, you know, it opened other doors.
Give me an example. Come on, you gotta give me a chance here.
I can't. I'm sorry, but there's no point in us fighting about this, Juan. I hope that you're happy recording with L&B. I hope you become a big star. Or whatever you want, you know? Really, I do. But you don't need me as a girlfriend, I see that now.
What are you talking about? I do need you. I mean, I don't even understand how you can say that. I love you. Everything good that's happening is because of you. I wouldn't be in Port Charles if it weren't for you. I would have never sang for Ned.
It's all in the past.
No, it's not. I'm not just gonna love you in the past, Emily. I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. And Allison or Sherry or anyone, except for you. And I know I did got mad and I made some real lame mistakes and hurt you, but I'm sorry. And if I could take it back, I would. If you still don't trust me, you know, I don't know what I can do about that. But I'm gonna figure it out because I love you.